Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power and a stable environment. Charge the Quest 3 above half and close background apps so sensors get full CPU. Next, clear the play space and remove mirrors or shiny objects that confuse tracking cameras. Once done, restart the headset and swap or reseat controller batteries to prevent intermittent IR dropout. Finally, accept any firmware prompts. Updates often fix sensor algorithms and keep the headset at comfortable eye level while you continue into the calibration steps. You now recalibrate the tracking by running the Guardian and Room scan process deliberately. Move slowly so the cameras build an accurate map. During recalibration, recenter the headset and hold each controller still while the system samples their positions, which tells the software where they live in space. After scanning, use pass-through to inspect edges for glare or dark zones and adjust ambient lighting. Diffuse, even light reduces sensor errors. Once calibrated, test head turns and reach across the space to confirm smooth tracking. You finish by addressing lingering issues. If controllers jitter, unpair and repair them in settings to refresh the Bluetooth link and sensor handshake. If tracking errors persist, reset your headset center and run a factory recalibration to clear corrupt configs. Once complete, perform a rapid test with a simple VR app and check for consistent tracking through rotations and forward reaches. If problems continue, try the key troubleshooting tip. Test the headset in a different room to determine whether the environment or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.